Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a BMW, now I'm talking about N20B16, N20B20 or N26B20 engine, guys, and you heard about the timing chain failures and what goes wrong. Stay with us, guys. We're going to cover all that today, guys. We'll explain a little bit information, what years usually are affected, how many miles the problem develops, and all that stuff, guys. That same engine has been used in multiple BMWs. For instance, BMW 3 Series here, BMW 5 Series that will be taking apart, BMW 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Series, X3, X1, X4 and Z4, guys. All these use that engine, guys, and every single car we get at the shop, including this one here, every BMW that you see and every car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 to 300 videos, guys, and we take the engines completely apart and make extra 100 videos. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now let me show you guys, this is the N20B20 engine, guys, I'm talking about. If it looks like that, if you have a cover that looks like that, you probably heard about the timing chain failures, guys. And now this is, guys, the timing guides and timing chain. As you can see, from what I understand, that's the thing that goes bad, guys. That guide wears out here, breaks, and as a result your timing chain will develop a slack. That slack will lead to jumping the timing chain. Your timing will be off. If you're lucky enough not to damage the engine, not to hit the valves and the pistons, okay, you're great. You can just replace the timing chain guides in the chain. That's what's happening with our BMW, the 5 Series there. This is the tool, okay, that you will need to use. We will have, guys, okay, this is one of the best tools that you can find on the market. We'll have the link in the description of the video below, guys. Nothing sponsored, everything's purchased by us. But if you guys, okay, this BMW 5 Series, okay, let me go check something quick and show you guys. Okay, that BMW, that 5 Series, it has the same N20B20 engine, exactly the same engine as the 3 Series. Check it out right here. We just washed it. Why? Because we'll be working on it, guys, and we'll be taking it completely apart, and we'll be showing you guys, we'll be making a video how to do a timing chain replacement as well. Now if you guys, okay, this car has 85,000 miles. I heard people jumping the chain most likely around 65 to 100,000 miles, okay, having timing chain problems. I've heard people having that problem with 25-30,000 miles, some, but most of them, from my understanding, it's around 70-80,000 miles. This one has 85 and it jumped it, guys. What I understand, BMW updated that, okay, that timing chain guide, and you shouldn't have that problem for vehicles made after March 2013. Okay, you should have a good timing chain guide. Ours is made in, okay, October 2012, and it did jump it, guys. Now I still read, guys, that even the updated ones, they still fail sometimes. So in my opinion, timing chains nowadays, it's a serviceable part, and I, guys, don't risk it anymore, okay, to the point that when this one jumped the timing, I'm not gonna drive the 3 Series at all until I fix both of them, until I replace the chains. So at every 60,000 miles, that's what I will be doing, guys. We'll have the videos from start to finish, how to replace timing chain, set the timing, all that. If you have one, guys, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let us know. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you will find the information helpful, and see you guys next time.